Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. I hope everybody's been having a great week. I am back at you with another watch that I have received from AliExpress this time. So we're going to open up this package and show you what's inside and which watch came in today. I just want to shout out to all my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for everything you do, all the interaction with the channel. Everything you do helps this channel grow, all your likes, comments, and interaction that you have with the channel. If you do have any questions about anything that I'm showing you on this channel, any of these watches that I have here or the watches that I open up, just be sure to leave questions in the comment section below. I'm sure to answer all those questions for you. And if you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself. So, without further ado, let's get into this package that we did receive today from AliExpress and show you what we have. Okay, so this is going to be the LIGE watch. I don't know if you've paid attention to the channel, but I do have a couple of LIGE watches, and I do like them. I believe they're a great value for the price. Great quality watch for not a lot of money. Very nice styles. Great watches all around. So let's see what we do have in here today. And as always, it comes with the tag, and it looks like a, what do we have here? Looks like we've got a tag, we've got a guarantee card, a cleaning cloth, and the instruction booklet to show you how to operate your watch. So that all comes in a nice, safely packaged box. Let's see here. Usually it seems like these things are covered in a plastic, so I'm not really sure why this one came without the plastic covering. Yeah, see, it looks like they usually have the plastic coating on both of these, so I don't know why this one didn't have it. But anyhow, guys, this is the LIGE. Yeah, this is a LIGE dive watch. I believe this is the LIGE 8924. First impressions of the watch is it's a pretty good watch for the price. I mean, when I tell you what the price is, you guys aren't going to believe it. It's a really, really nice watch for the price. It's a good look at it for you. This does have the it has a hardlex crystal, so it does have the extra scratch resistant, and it has like a matte finish with a gold inlay on the bracelet, which is kind of nice. It gives you that contrast between the matte and the gloss of the gold. The band quality, the bracelet quality is pretty nice, especially for the price. Like I said, this isn't going to be a super high-end luxury watch, but it is going to be something that doesn't break the bank and lets you put something really nice on your wrist for a very, very small price. And this is a really, really good priced watch. Once again, the LIGE 8924. It does have the hardlex crystal on it for extra scratch resistant. It's got the 3 sub dials. It also has the working dive bezel, which is very, very tight, especially for the price quality. The quality on this thing is actually very, very good. I would say it's somewhere along the lines of an Olev's quality watch. Maybe even in some ways a little bit tighter or better than an Olev's quality watch. But otherwise, very nice watch. Once again, it is shock resistant. It has, like I said, the hardlex crystal. It is shock resistant. And it is the date format with the auto calendar. It does state that it is water resistant, but it does not say how deep the water resistant is. So I would not consider this an actual dive watch or anything that you could go diving with, but it should be safe for swimming and light sports to get it wet. But mostly it would just be a nice watch to wear on your wrist if you're going out. I mean, this is a really classy looking diver type watch that would really dress up any occasion. So I would definitely consider one of these Liege watches. Like I said, very tight dial, nice working dial. Let's see what the Lume capability is on this. Let's get some light going on it for a second and see. Okay, so the Lume has it on the markers. It is pretty good Lume, especially for the price. It's got it on the markers and on the hands. And you guys saw I only threw that up there for just a second. So obviously if you're coming in from the sunlight, it's going to retain a lot more luminescence than you were able to see just there. But all in all, guys, very satisfied with the quality of this watch. Packaged very nicely, coming from AliExpress. Does take a little bit of time to get here from AliExpress, but definitely worth it, especially if you're not looking to spend a ton of money on a watch and you want something that looks really, really nice on your wrist. I would definitely consider this watch a go. Once again, the specs on it are a LIGE 8924. Hardlex crystal. It's got a dependable quartz movement on it. Push button clasp, safety clasp on the trifold bracelet. Two-tone bracelet. Two-tone stainless steel case. Water resistant. Now, the good thing about this is many, many different color combinations available on this watch. You've got the black and the silver, black and gold, silver and gold, or silver and black. There's green, there's gold, there's blue. There's a ton of color combinations, so definitely check out that affiliate link that I'm going to post below. And that link is an affiliate link, so if you do click on it, it does send $1 or $2 over to me, and that really does help out the channel. It does not raise the price for you guys at all. You guys pay what the price is, and you don't pay anything more. The only difference is I get a small commission for referring you guys over to the product, and that is very much appreciated. Aside from that, not much more I can tell you about this watch, except for the fact that it has an amazing price on it, and that price is around $30. You can get this watch for around $30 on AliExpress right now, and you may even be able to find a coupon or something on AliExpress that'll help you save a few more dollars. So once again, very, very budget friendly Liege dive watch. Very good quality for the price you're going to pay. It's not going to break the bank, and it's going to give you something really nice you can put on your wrist and wear out. So I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are looking for a really budget friendly dive watch, this is definitely something I would pick up. So once again, Liege 8924 Hardlex crystal, dependable quartz movement, push button clasp on the trifold bracelet, two-tone stainless steel case. Many, many different color combinations available, so definitely head on over, click on that affiliate link below, and it'll bring you right over to the listing, and you can check out those different color combinations. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos. If you are a current subscriber, thank you again so much, and if you want to be a member and help support the channel in real time, click on that join button to see what membership options we do have available, and if you'd like to, head on over here and give a super thanks shout out to me, and that would be definitely appreciated. So once again, thank you guys all so much, and if you're new to the channel, thumbs up always helps out. Until next time, I do have a bunch of watches coming in, so stay tuned to the channel if you want to see more of these budget-friendly watches that don't break the bank. I specialize in watches that you don't have to sell your house to buy, so if you want to see more of these watches, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will be back next week. Actually, I'll be back Monday morning. I do have some watches coming in, so stay tuned to the channel. I got a bunch of watches coming in on Monday, and then I've got some watches coming in later on in the week, and so I've got some really interesting pieces, so you definitely want to check out the channel if you want to see that. So once again, thanks to everybody out there that's helped supported the channel and gotten me this far. Do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, thumbs up. And I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. I hope you guys all have a great rest of the weekend. Thank you so much, and have a good day.